There you go. It's recording.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm going outside. Excuse my messy house. I'm gonna probably delete that off. Anyway, I'm out. Here we go. Alright. We are outside. I'm not quite sure how well you're going to be able to see this, but look, I can't even see my step. I want to try to catch the thermometer here. Let's see, what do we have here? There's my flowers. It is, what does it say? It's about 19 degrees. Fucking freezing. Okay, I'm off on an adventure. Let's see. There's my son's basketball hoop. Can't really see. I'm afraid to step off. Okay, I'm off. Here we go. Not really sure how much you can see. The wind is blowing like a bitch. It's probably, I'm thinking 30 miles an hour. I was hoping I could catch a car coming down the street. But here's the road. See if I can get anything in the street light. There's the street light. Okay. So, let's look the other way from my house. Oh shit, there's a car down there, but he didn't pass me. So, let's see. Still, nothing coming. I want to take a picture of my Christmas tree from outside. So y'all can see that too. There's my Christmas tree. Isn't it beautiful? I wish I could really gauge how freaking deep the snow is. It's funny. Ooh. Okay, here comes another wind of gust. Gust of wind. Here comes the gust. Cold. This weird blue line in my middle of my screen. Weird. It's neighbors' cars. It's a ghost town out here today. It's the neighbors' kids across the street playing out. But not really. Boy, I don't think I've ever seen this road that dead. It's like no cars in sight. Wow. No trains. It's awful. Oh yikes, it's in my face. Hello. Hello, hello. It's cold. It's cold. I gotta go in now. Because I'm freezing. I have no gloves. Oh, here comes some cars. There goes one. Hello. Here comes another. Hello. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind on this, but I came out here at 6 o'clock and tried to do this, but my batteries died. And now it's like 8:50. And all of my previous footsteps are covered. It shows you how much it's snowing. Here's a drift. That's probably good, I don't know, 2.5, 3 feet maybe. And my flowers, can you tell how much snow we have? That's almost, that right there. See it right there? That's almost covered all the way. That pot's probably a good foot tall. My cigarette butt can's almost covered. Can I even see my snow shovels anymore? Oh, there's one. Should. Let's see if I can get another shot of the street light. It's been doing this since I got up this morning at 7:30, and it's now almost 9 o'clock at night. Hasn't slowed down a bit. It's just continues and continues. So tomorrow I'll come out here and I'll take a picture, because it's supposed to freeze rain during the night, sometime after midnight. And here comes my neighbor. Let's watch him pull into the yard. Here he comes. No, maybe he's not pulling in. He's not pulling in, or is he gonna back in? What is he gonna do? Here comes a car by my house, right there. Ooh. Okay, here comes my neighbor now. Oh, my hands are frozen. I almost can't feel him. Here he goes. He's coming. No, I don't know what he's doing. I think he's gonna pull back into the driveway. My fingertips are freaking numb. Yep, here he comes. He's pulling in. There's that weird blue light again. Must be headlight or something. That's weird. Okay, so now he's backing up again. What are you doing, Londell? This is my great-ass neighbor next door named Londell. He's really a great guy. Watches out for me. Him and his wife are very good people. If he'd ever stop trying to freaking park this truck. I got the snow blowing in my face right now. Come on, man. You sucker. He'll probably sit in his car for a little bit. He normally does. No, he's not going to tonight. I'm documenting your arrival. I'm trying to capture this shit. Crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's like, is it ever gonna stop?
I don't know. I think it's supposed to go all night.
I've been up since 7:30. It's been going on. Just like this. Here's my coat sleeve. See, look. It's got a bunch of snow on it. I feel like a damn Eskimo. Alright, I think I'm done now. Everybody have a good night.